Mom,
We're gonna...
the cat tried to bite my fingers because it smelled like catnip.
Even mine, because mine smells like catnip too.
She tried to bite me twice.
Really?
Even me.
We named her Patches.
We named her Patches.
Patches? Because her nose is full of patches?
Patches.
I wonder who that belongs to.
Patches.
Who do you belong to? I don't have anything. Ate Gia has it and Ate Violet. Yep.
Patches. She's gonna try and bite. Okay.
Is she biting?
Yeah, she tried to bite me. I'm like, ow. She almost bit me.
She bited me right on this much fingers.
Really? Wonder whose cat that is.
I know, right?
But she's a domesticated cat. Look. She's playing with the catnip and she wants to...
That cat is so cute. I wonder whose it is.
Me too.
Now she's eating it.
She's such a big kitty. Or if it's a boy, he or she is. It is such a big kitty.
It's a girl.
How do you know?
Because I'm smart.
No, just because you're smart doesn't mean it. Okay, do you know everything? Violet, do you know everything? No.
Sometimes. Ouch. My knees.
Hi, we named this cat Patches.
Yeah. Because she looks a cute one.
Yeah, and it looks like she has a patch over there, see? Over there?
Yeah.
And on her nose.
Yeah.
Hi, Patches. Look,
Hi,
look,